Imagine owning a magic wand that can stretch your budget so you can chase your dreams without pinching pennies. Well, your wish is our command. Hi there, future budget wizard. If you're new here, tap that subscribe button and the thumb up icon so you won't miss a penny worth of our smart money tips. Today, we're going to spill some top secret budget hacks for all you dream chasers. So, shall we begin that magic money show? Sometimes, chasing your dreams can feel overwhelming, like riding a giant wave. But managing a budget on that journey doesn't have to be. Here are some powerful tips. Hack number 1. Pay yourself first. Always save a portion of your paycheck in your dream job fund. Before anything else, treat it like an essential bill you must pay every month. Starting small, even as little as $50 a week. Hack number 2. Automate your savings. Schedule an automatic transfer to your dream job fund so you won't forget or spend that money on other things. Hack number 3. Create a visual reminder. Put up a board that represents your budget and financial goals. This keeps your eyes on the prize and helps you track your progress. Hack number 4. A cash envelope system. To track your spending better, pay in cash. Allocate budget to different envelopes labeled bill, grocery, etc. Once it is empty, that's your budget limit for the month. Hack number 5. Earn more. Look for side gig and freelance opportunities. Use your skill to earn extra cash, which goes straight into your dream job fund. Stepping into the shoes of a budget wizard isn't as hard as you thought, right? Make sure to check out our next episode on the art of saying no to non-essential expenses. Ladies and gentlemen, it's magic time. Choose at least 2 budget hacks from today's list and incorporate them into your life for a month. Share your experience and tell us which hack worked best for you. A friend once shared how she struggled to stay within her budget while saving for her dream travel blog venture. She took up a brilliant hack, cooking. She saved every penny from dining out and funneled it into her dream job fund. Not only did she become a fantastic cook, but she also saved significant amounts of money. She can even host a dinner party for 12 under $30, with everyone bringing their own wine and a dessert or salad. Now, we can't wait to hear your brilliant hack, all of us to learn from. And here is a parting joke. What's a budget wizard's favorite type of music? W rock and banking roll. Remember, it is not about how much you earn, but how much you save that makes you a budget wizard. So keep chasing your dream job wizard. Until next time, keep budgeting, keep saving, and keep succeeding. Bye for now.